Yeah, nice. Okay. So over here it says you have a spinner G, you have spinner H. Then they say each time the pointer is bound is equally likely to stop at any of that section. So how many possible outcomes here? You have 7, right?
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6.
Ayo.
Yeah. So you need to count.
Yeah.
So over here is 1, 2, 3,
6.
4, 5, 6. 6 also. Okay. So the total possible outcome is 6. So any one of them is 1/6. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So over here it says only spins spinner G twice. So just this alone. So find the probability that the pointer stops at 4 twice. So spin twice, right? So this is the first attempt, this is the second attempt, right? So for the first attempt to stop at 4, so it's 1/6, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So 4 is the outcome, which is one of them. Then the total possible outcome is 6, so therefore it's 1/6, right? Then the second attempt is also 1/6. Because the first attempt and the second attempt, they are not related to each other.
Yeah.
So normally they use the word called independent or mutually exclusive. So next time when you see these two words, basically it means like they don't depend on each other. You know, some of them they depend on each other. Let's say they draw the ball number 4 already, then that one is not there anymore, right? So let's say this is retrieved and without replacement, then you don't have the number 4 ball already. So that means this one will affect the next draw, you know. So that's not independent already. That is dependent event already. But in this case, it's independent and mutually exclusive, right? So the first attempt is 1/6, and the other attempt also 1/6. So for this, do you think it's plus or times to get the result for this?
Times.
Yep, it's times. So it's 1/36.
Yeah. I just guess, you know.
Okay. Why is it times?
No, because like when I said last, right, then I tried to, and then it's just 2/6. That's
Yep.
higher.
Yeah.
chance.
Exactly. Yes. That's also another way for you to
It's-
check.
It's like kind of not believable.
Yeah. So you try to use common sense, right? Very good, very
Yeah.
good. So in a way, right, you need to use common sense. Okay, you need to use common sense to sometimes reach a conclusion. All right. So that's the answer. 1/36. Okay. So the other one. This one. G spun first. Then H later. So getting all odd numbers. So you need to find out how many odd number here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first is 4/6. Then the H1 is 1, 2 only, right? So it's 2/6, right?
Yeah.
So first and followed by this. So this is the first, this is the second, this is from H, this is from G, so you times together. Okay. You simplify, then you times together. But of course you can use your calculator, then you don't have to use your mental power. Okay, so that's the answer for this. Then spinner H is spun once. The pointer stopped at 2 numbered sections which are opposite to each other. So for example 8 and 6, the score is found by multiplying the two numbers. So what's the meaning of this?
Pointers start at 2 numbered sections which are opposite to each other.
So-
So basically opposite of each other, yeah, like diagonally opposite. Then they say, for example, 8 and 6, the score is found by multiplying the two numbers.
Then in this case, my this one is wrong. You know why? You know why I'm wrong?
No.
They say odd number, right?
Yep.
You just need to spin once, then you get 2 odd number already.
Huh?
Can you see two arrows?
Oh. For
Yeah.
H
Yep.
is 2.
So in a way, you spin once. Let's say you hit the 1. Let's say you hit the 1. You get both. Let's say you hit 1.
Yeah.
It at the same time it will hit 7 also.
Yeah.
You hit 7 at the same time it will hit 1, right?
Yeah.
So basically this is 1,
1 for
2, 3. So let's say 1, 2. How many possible outcome? the possible outcome is 1.
But that's
Actually it's 1 over 3, right?
But we're just asking for the odd number, isn't it?
No, the thing is, it's odd number, yes. Asking for odd number, so what I'm trying to tell you is how many possible outcomes you can get is
odd.
1, 6, 2, 7, 8, 4, right?
Yeah.
But the thing is, this is a double arrows one.
Also, you divide it by 2.
So it's a double arrow. No, I don't think of it that way. So I ask myself, the possible outcome is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them, right?
Yeah.
But since this is a double arrow pointers, so if you hit 6, right, you will hit 6 and 8, right? So now they ask for the odd numbers, right? So odd number means it will hit here, right?
Yeah.
So once it hit here, you just need to spin it once. It hit here, so you get you hit 2 already. 2 of them already.
6.
So it's 2 over 6.
Or 1 over 3.
Okay, so it's 1 over 3. Okay? Understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, so actually this question somehow highlights this special spinner to me. Okay? So next, the pointers stop at 2 numbered sections which are opposite to each other. Okay? So for example 8 and 6, the score is found by multiplying the 2 numbers. So in this case I think the score is 48, right? So they ask for the probability that the score is a multiple of 4. Right? So multiple of 4, so you just need to multiply this together first. 1, 7 is 7, so not a multiple of 4. 2, 4, yes. 6, 8, yes. Then 4, 2 is also, so 4, 2 and 2, 4 also yes. Right?
Yeah.
So 8, 6 and 6, 8 also yes. Right?
But isn't it like once you spin, it will land on both?
So I would say 2/3, 2/3 of the time. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yeah. So that's the probability. Okay? That's it.